Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting at the door. Identify the lock brand and code length so you follow the right sequence. Once done, remove the keypad cover or batteries to enter programming safely. Make sure you have a small screwdriver and a fresh battery on hand so the reset won't fail mid-step. You'll also write your new code down before testing. This prevents lockout if you forget the sequence. Now reinsert power when prompted to begin programming mode. You'll now get the lock into programming mode. Press the programming button or use the pinhole tool until the LED blinks or you hear a tone. Next, enter the current master code so the lock accepts changes. This authenticates you. Then input the programming command followed by the new code and press enter or hash to confirm. Make sure to listen for the confirmation beep or look for the green LED. This indicates the lock stored the new code successfully. Finish by testing the new code multiple times with the door open so you avoid accidental lockout. If it works, secure the keypad cover and clean any tools away. If the keypad didn't accept the code, make sure batteries are fresh and repeat the programming sequence exactly, since one wrong digit aborts the change. As a last resort, perform a factory reset per the manual. Remember that clears all user codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.